Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to do some meal prep. We're going to be making a Moroccan spiced carrot salad. It's full of flavor, it's fresh, it's balanced, it's perfect to have on its own or add your own proteins. Make it once, enjoy it over the week. First up, we're going to cook some quinoa. I've got 3/4 cup here, which I've rinsed and drained off. I'm going to get that into a pot with 1.5 cups of water and a little bit of salt. Bring the quinoa to a boil uncovered. Once it's reached a full boil, turn the heat down to low and place a lid on. Simmer for around 15 minutes and then turn the heat off and leave the lid on for 5 minutes for the remaining liquid to be absorbed. While the quinoa is cooking, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. When the quinoa is cooked, drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and fluff it up with a fork. Transfer the quinoa to a tray lined with baking paper and spread it out evenly. Bake it for 25 to 30 minutes or until crispy, stirring every 10 minutes. Let it cool down completely before adding it to the salad. Next, you can prepare your fresh ingredients. Into a mixing bowl, add 4 shredded carrots, 1 can of drained chickpeas, 3 chopped spring onions, half a cup of chopped toasted almonds, a half a cup of currants, 1 cup of chopped fresh coriander leaves, and half a cup of chopped fresh mint leaves. In a separate bowl, you can mix together your dressing. You'll need 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, and salt and pepper to taste. Once the quinoa has cooled down, you can mix it through your fresh ingredients and pour the dressing over the top. To serve the salad, crumble some fresh feta over the top. You can store this salad in your Luvele fresh vacuum canisters for around 4 to 5 days as is. To keep everything at peak freshness, you can separate the dressing and the quinoa and simply mix it together as you need it. So there you have it, our Moroccan spiced carrot salad. Great to enjoy now or to keep for later when you're using our Luvele fresh vacuum canisters. For more of our Luvele life recipes, check out our website and blog. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life videos. And if you enjoyed this one today, then give it a like for us. We'll be back very soon with another recipe.